everybody.
Hello.
Today is Sunday. He's Werner, a pilot, our favorite and only one pilot.
With 3 women. Oh, 3 in 1.
Cora, my friend Cora, and my friend Jaylene.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
It's getting really hot, so we're waiting for Werner. He's preparing our plane. So we're gonna have half an hour each. So we're gonna fly around the riot. So my friends are very excited. It's their first time.
Have fun! Bye! Have fun!
Okay, now it's my friend Cora's turn. Ready to fly.
Ready to fly like an eagle. Next time I'm gonna learn how to fly.
All right.
Werner
You're
will
gonna be the
teach me how to
pilot.
fly.
Oh. Okay, Werner is gonna help you. First timer. Are you nervous?
It just doesn't show.
All right, Werner.
Alright,
All right. Okay, friend. Have fun. Enjoy. There we go. Bye, Cora.
It's fun.
It is fun. I love it. This is my coconut. They open it up for me. And this is so delicious. I love it. Last time we couldn't do this, but this time I don't want to pass it. So good. Very tender. I like it like that. This side is a little bit harder, but still good. So what are you doing? I saw you're flying it. So what happened? The engine is not.
Engine, married to engine.
Oh, okay. That's really cool. How much for one like this?
English cookie.
Oh,
Sorry.
you have a bleeding nose right now?
China.
How was it, friend? You like it? Oh, I know. Yeah, that sensation. That's.
What is that little river over there? You know that river? What is that?
I have no clue.
Know the name of that river.
It's the Angeles River.
Ah.
There you go.
So
Beautiful.
you like it? You recommend it?
Yes,
Tell
highly
them.
recommend to friends, and yeah, it's cool. It's very peaceful up there when you're looking
Yeah.
at the Mount Araya
Oh,
and
nice.
you know
That's cool, friend. That's
the
cool.
housing and the fields, rice fields.
The rice fields, yes, yes. Do you see the cows?
Huh?
The cows?
I haven't
Oh, the
seen the
cows.
cows.
The cows is there in the
Yeah, that was right there.
Oh, that one. Oh,
That
I
one.
haven't because.
Okay. Okay, guys. It's my fourth or fifth time. I don't know, but I love it,
Yes.
and I can do it over and over. Yes, thank you. Bye, friends.
Our sister.
Okay, I'm going to the moon.
Yes. Yeah.
Bye bye. Okay.
Fly like an eagle.
This is probably my 4 or 5 time, but like I said, I will do it over and over because it's super fun. Right now, it's hot.
Getting hot now,
But it's,
right?
yes, it's getting hotter and hotter, but there is no wind, so it's gonna be fun. I know he's gonna take me very close to the riot, so I'm so ready. Yes, it's nice. It's better when it's not windy. So that's it's a different time of the year. I never did it in March. It's super hot, but I'm ready. Okay, bye, friends.
Bye, friend. Have fun.
Bye.
Enjoy the flight.
Thank you. I will. Another great experience, friends, is every time I really enjoy this flying with Werner. I will put all the information, so if you want to fly, you want to book with your group of friends, I just put the information. Also, he has a YouTube channel, so you can follow him, subscribe, and enjoy all his videos too, also about flying and all the information about teaching flying lessons. So yeah, you can contact Werner. I will put all the information at the bottom of the screen. Okay, my friends.
Okay, I hope all you girls enjoying today for
Yes.
this fly.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, what an experience.
So-
Beautiful. Yes, we'll do it
Okay.
again with the open one.
With the open one. Okay, we want to do that next time.
Next
Thank
time,
you very
yes.
much.
Thank you, Werner. Love you.